This is Lars testing the vanilla reader with out NVDA actually in this test. It's the 26th of September 2024, and let's get started. So moving along to the first test, Read Aloud 101. Oh, sorry, 010. The content can be read aloud. That would be a good start. So Control Alt R to fire up the read aloud or the text to speech, and then press again Control Alt R to actually start it.
Each test includes a description of its purpose followed by the actual test statement, which can be evaluated to pass or fail.
And I will pause it just a bit because I want to jump forward to the actual tests, and I do that by pressing Control Alt and K if I want to jump forward, or Control Shift Alt K to go backwards. You can also use the what's it called? The menu to do this, of course, if you want to, but I prefer the keyboard shortcuts. Focus on the beginning of a paragraph or sentence and initiate the read aloud.
Read Aloud 010. The content can be read aloud.
It can, so I would say pass. Stop and resume. That's basically what we just did. Let's do it again.
Read Aloud 110. Stop and resume reading. Initiate reading from
We stop here and start again.
any point in the book. Stop Read Aloud and note.
Yes, very good. So read aloud 110 has passed. Let's jump forward. Should continue until interrupted by user, and it does. So let's just actually, do you know what? Let's speed things up a bit. Maybe, oh, I'm sorry, but let's do it at 150% so it's a bit snappier. Let's also change the voice to a more pleasing one.
Read Aloud 210. The read aloud feature should continue until interrupted by the user. The read aloud feature should continue until interrupted by the user, keeping the text being spoken in view. Activate the read aloud feature. The reading should continue across pages, screens until stopped manually. The text being read aloud should be visible on the screen. Indicate pass or fail. Read Aloud 310. All text should be read in the proper order. Sample text has been provided below to test the reading order. The paragraph 2 should be read after paragraph.
Yep, as you can see, it just continues to the book, it reaches its end. This particular voice wasn't really good at high speeds, but yeah, so maybe we should just slow it down a bit again. Okay, very good. Let's see. All text should be read in the proper order. So to do this, we'll just go down to paragraph 1, or maybe to the first, to the indicate pass or fail text, and just see if it reads it out in the correct order. So again, I'll start by pressing Control Alt R.
Indicate pass or fail. Paragraph 1. Mother's Day is a celebration honoring mothers and motherhood, maternal bonds, and the influence of mothers in society. It is celebrated on various days. It complements similar celebrations honoring family members, such as Father's Day and Siblings Day. Paragraph 2. Mother's Day in Israel. The Jewish population celebrates Mother's Day on Shvat 30.
And as you could hear and see, it's navigated or read the text in the correct order. So pass. Let's see. Image alternate text reading. So let's go down to the whale and see if it reads out the alternate text.
Moby Dick with a sailor in his mouth and several with harpoons hanging on him and their ship in the background. Ensure that the alternate...
Yes, it was announced. So yay. So pass on that one. Change read aloud voice. We already did that, so I think we can pass that as well. We also changed the reading speed, so pass on that. Oops. Sorry. Yes, when read aloud is activated, there should be slight pauses after headings and so on. This has already been tested actually in another test book, but let's do it again. So if we jump down again, skip down using K here, you're going to hear that it's pausing between sentences, pausing between the comma separated parts of a sentence, and also, yeah, but you'll have to listen for yourself. So now I will start it using Control Alt R.
The above heading should not have run into this text as if it were one sentence.
Oh, sorry.
Now we have a regular text for testing read aloud. The above heading should not have run into this text as if it were one sentence. Now we have a regular sentence that includes a comma, so it should be spoken as two phrases. And a pause should have indicated that this is a separate sentence. This is a new paragraph. Below is a list, which should be read as 3 separate groups. Red, green, blue. 1, 2, 3. Alpha, Bravo, Charlie. End of text for testing read aloud. Indicate pass.
Yes, pass. Very good. Text is emphasized as spoken using the read aloud. So yes, you can see that it's been visually contrasted using colors, and both for words, when word highlighting is supported by the text synthesize, or sorry, the read aloud engine, and we also have a background color for the currently read out sentence. And just as a note, these is completely customizable. In the vanilla reader, I only use yellow, but I will add like a customization option for this. It's just that I haven't had time. But in the framework, you can do whatever you want.